Prendete una bufala, dalla bufala prendiamo il latte di bufala e dal latte di bufala otteniamo una buonissima mozzarella di bufala. Ho una mozzarella di bufala, ho una carrozza, mozzarella in carrozza! Hello everybody and welcome to the first video in English of my cooking channel on YouTube. Today we are going to cook one of the most famous Italian recipes. I am talking about mozzarella in carrozza. This recipe comes from the south of Italy, in particular the city of Naples. In this video I will show you how to cook a good mozzarella in carrozza for your friends. First of all, we have to go out and buy all the ingredients that we need for the recipe. We need, of course, mozzarella cheese, then bread, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, and that's all. So let's go! First of all, we have to cut mozzarella cheese and put it here so that it loses its milk, in this way. Here we have put in 3 bowls some flour in the first, eggs in the second, and breadcrumbs in the third. And now we can start, so we can put the slices of mozzarella on the bread in this way. It's very easy. And now we can cover with the other slice of bread and we can cut it in 4 pieces. And now it's time to put the first piece in the flour in this way. Then we can put it in the eggs. And finally it's time of breadcrumbs. So guys, here we have our mozzarella in carrozza ready to be fried. Here we have a leek and we start cutting it in slices, in very thin slices. And now we can cut in 2 pieces the tomatoes, first the red tomatoes and then the yellow tomatoes. And now we can cook the tomatoes in a pan for a few seconds. Now it's time to whisk the red tomatoes and now the yellow tomatoes. We put some flour in the leek so that it will not burn when we fry it. And now we can start frying it. The temperature of the oil mustn't be too high or the leek will burn. And now it's time to fry mozzarella in carrozza. As you can see, the temperature of the oil must be around 170 degrees. And this is how a good mozzarella and carrozza should be. Okay guys, we have finished with this recipe and with this video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my cooking channel. I hope to see you soon. I just wanted to say hello to my friends from other countries like Kirk Dusting, Alex Butler and Lisa Carswell. So guys, see you the next time and bye bye from Italy.